Transport Minister Ben Martin says he hopes employers and Satawu will resolve their differences. And Gauteng's Health Department says it hopes the recent appointment of a Chief Financial Officer will help resolve capacity management problems. I'm Richard Brooks. Transport Minister Ben Martin says he hopes employers and labour union Satawu will resolve their differences before the truck drivers' strike spreads to other areas. A secondary strike is being planned at ports within days. 3 smaller unions have suspended their strike, but Satawu is holding out for higher wages. Martins has condemned acts of strike-related violence. Gauteng's Health Department says it hopes the recent appointment of a Chief Financial Officer will help resolve capacity management problems. The department has been besieged by problems involving public hospitals. The latest saga involves doctors allegedly using theatres in public hospitals to operate on private patients on medical aid. Department spokesperson Simon Zwane.
There is significant progress that has been made with the supply of medicines in hospitals, and the stock holding in our medical depot has shown an appreciable increase. And the department has also been focused on ensuring that it improves on the payment of suppliers. By August this year, we paid all of the suppliers that were owed. One of the big problems that we've been experiencing, particularly around finances, was management capacity to manage our budget. So there has been a CFO that has now been appointed.
South Africa needs to spend 35 billion rand to maintain neglected distribution networks or risk further backlogs. Free Market Foundation spokesperson Eustace Davies says a decade-long attempt to restructure distribution means municipalities have no incentive to invest in electricity infrastructure. As a result, spending on the grid itself has been neglected. Davies has recommended municipalities should either contract out maintenance or sell off the grid.
If the grids start breaking down, the local authorities are not going to be able to attract investment in their areas. So it's in their interest to make sure that the grids are operating properly and that they're properly maintained and kept. If they don't do it, we will be seeing blackouts that are the result of poor maintenance and not of shortage of electricity.
Greek riot police have fired stun grenades and pepper spray to push back protesters rallying against visiting German Chancellor Angela Merkel. Thousands of Greeks have defied a ban to march on Parliament during the visit. It's Merkel's first visit to Athens since the Eurozone debt crisis erupted in Greece 3 years ago.